Okay, guys, with this trend trading strategy, you will always have an amazing result like this, and I will be sharing with you how to go about it in this video. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And of course, guys, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So like I said, the trend trading strategy is actually one of the best trading strategy which you can use for any forex assets. Okay, and this will help you to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, personally, I love the 15 minutes time frame because it gives you the opportunity to um, analyze the market well, and of course you will also be able to trade for a very long time. So you can see this actually started a downtrend. You can see the downtrend signal and of course the sell signal because sell supports downtrend. Okay, and of course um you follow the sell signal and of course give us the sell signal at this top, and of course give us another one here, and here is another one, and we have three other ones here. Okay, so which means you can also use that as an opportunity to create multiple orders. Okay, this is on 15-minute time frame. You can imagine you trading right from here till this very moment. That's amazing, and it is beautiful. But this actually got to the support zone at this point, and it has not been able to break out from there. And if it's unable to break out from here, then we are most likely to have more buying opportunity right from there. As you can see, it has given us an uptrend signal already, and of course here is a buy signal. And for those of you who have seen this signal in the morning, okay, I believe you should have milked the market to this very end. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so once you have the knowledge of the trend trading strategy and you have the right trading tools that can help you to identify your trend on time, then you are most likely to make some good amount of um, positive trades right from there. Okay, so now let's check out another asset just for us to be clear about this. This actually started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow color, which signifies an uptrend, and you can see the blue arrows, which signifies a buy trade, because when the market is going on an uptrend, then it should be a buy trade. Okay, so you can see it bought till it got to the resistance zone, and at the top of the resistance zone was a resistance, um it's actually a resistance zone, so it has not been able to break out from there. So this changed the direction of the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend. That is why the color is changing. The color of the indicator I'm using is changing from yellow to red. Okay, this means the market is on downtrend, and when the market is on downtrend, you only focus on the sell signals alone. So the red arrow is for the sell signal. We got one here, we got two here, and here is another one. Okay, these actually sold right from the resistance zone till the end of the trend, which happened to be the support. And of course, guys, just like I have told you, if it is not breaking out below the support region, then definitely it should change the direction of the trend into an uptrend, and you can see it's trying to go back into an uptrend right from here. Okay, so definitely this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, now the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. I'm just trying to show you all the assets just for you to know that this is really working. The trend trading strategy is really working for all the assets. Okay, so when this actually got to the support zone, at this point it was unable to break out from there, and it went into an uptrend, played around there for a while before pulling back. This happened to be a major pullback. Okay, it stood for a while but was unable to break out below this support zone. You can see the support region also around there, and of course it went back to break out above this resistance zone to buy more. Okay, so this is an amazing opportunity. Once you understand the trend trading strategy, then you are most likely to be making profits in your trading activities on daily basis. Okay, now let's check out this is going to be the final one. Okay, this is Paynex 999. In case you too want to check the charts, this is live chart, so you too can check them out right from your end. Okay, so this started the downtrend right from here. It started the downtrend from the resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, and of course gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal at this point. Okay, so it started selling. You can see it started selling till it got to this particular support zone. It was unable to break out from that support zone. Because it's unable to break out from this support zone, it's changed the direction of the trend from a downtrend into an uptrend from red to yellow. We got the buy signal around there and got more buy signals around there. So this bought for a very long time. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame. So this is a long trading opportunity for those that are taking advantage of it. Okay, and of course, after getting to this resistance zone, pull back a bit and tried it again, still unable to break out from there. So it's pulling back again. And of course, if it breaks out below this support region, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it should go back up again to try out this resistance zone again. And if it breaks out above this, then we should expect it to get to this particular region. So we should take note of that and take good advantage of it right from there. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And of course, guys, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, I will also be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.